In this video, we will show how to use Acuity Scheduling with Groupworld. Acuity is one of the most advanced web-based schedulers and offers features such as credit card processing, the ability to embed into your website, customization and white labeling with your own logo, and many other advanced features. To start, go to the acuityscheduling.com website and click on the pricing link. You can start off with the free version or start a 7-day trial of a paid plan. Note that the free plan does not allow you to accept payments, and it is limited to a single calendar. To set up Acuity for Groupworld, click on the Acuity link at the bottom of your hosted Groupworld admin control page. You will then see instructions for setting up Acuity with Groupworld. To start, you must enter your Acuity owner ID into Groupworld. Log into your Acuity account and click on the scheduling link page. There you will see your owner ID. Copy that ID and paste it into the box at the Groupworld control panel. Then click Save. Now when you go to your main Groupworld control panel page, you will see a scheduling link next to each of your rooms. You can email this link to your customers to allow them to schedule sessions with you. Before you do this, you will need to set up each of your rooms in Acuity. Each calendar in Acuity has a location. You can set the location of each calendar to the URL of a Groupworld room. On the Acuity website, scroll down to Business Settings and click on Availability. Then click on Calendar Settings and click on Add a New Location. Paste the URL of the Groupworld room, which you can copy from the hosted Groupworld control panel. Then click on Save Changes. If you want to have multiple rooms, you can click on the Add New Calendar button. Do this for each Groupworld room and enter the URL of the room in the location as for the first calendar. Note that a paid Acuity plan is required because the free plan only includes a single calendar. Each calendar is then tied to a particular Groupworld room and has its own scheduling link. You can email that scheduling link to your customers, allowing them to schedule sessions in that Groupworld room. The scheduling links can be found in the Calendars page in Acuity and also in your hosted Groupworld control panel. When a user clicks on one of your scheduling links, they see the calendar for that Groupworld room. You can set the time slots and availability for the room and the pricing. Customers can schedule a session by clicking on a time slot. The customer then needs to enter their name and email address. No registration is necessary. Acuity then emails the customer a confirmation email. With the paid plans, it is possible to have up to 3 reminder emails, which can be customized. The confirmation and reminder emails contain the URL of the Groupworld room. You can view all booked appointments in your Acuity calendar pages.